Today's question comes from Abdul in Plano, Texas. Abdul asks, how does renter's insurance protect me? Often, we work with someone whose landlord requires renter's insurance. People in that situation frequently perceive that the renter's insurance is to protect the landlord in case the tenant does something that causes accidental damage to the apartment. So we frequently get asked, how does renter's insurance protect me? There are many answers to that question, but we'll address a few of them right here. Renter's insurance protects you by offering personal property coverage. If you have a theft from an apartment or a violent apartment fire, your personal property is protected up to the policy limits. This means that if everything you own is lost in a fire, you're able to replace the property that was lost. Renter's insurance will prevent you from scrambling around for months or years trying to put your life back together. Additional living expense coverage, also known as loss of use coverage on your renter's insurance, protects you by making sure that you're compensated for the extra expenses you incur after a loss like that fire. If you can't get the apartment for a period of time because of a covered loss, loss of use coverage, or additional living expense coverage on your renter's insurance policy protects you by covering those costs. Things like your groceries, a hotel, extra expenses for meals and transportation are all covered. This helps you prevent out-of-pocket expenses that most people just aren't able to plan for. And liability coverage on your renter's insurance protects you by covering bodily injury or property damage that you negligently caused to someone else. If you accidentally close the door on the UPS driver's hand because you're so excited to open that package, you could be held liable for his injuries. Liability insurance on your renter's policy could respond to unintentional injuries like that. While we discussed just a few of the major ones, there are many other ways that renter's insurance can protect you. For more information on how renter's insurance protects you, call the Effective Coverage or click above for a free instant online renter's insurance quote with detailed coverage explanations. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.